Here's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, sport suspension, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.